Installing an OCP module and cage. To install the OCP cage, if necessary, install the OCP cable and secure it to the OCP module cage with 2 screws. Install the OCP module cage into the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the OCP module cage. Fasten the thumb screw on the OCP module cage. Use a screwdriver if needed. Reinstall the following component. Refer to the following video in the playlist to complete the installation process. Proceed to install the OCP module. Slide the OCP module into the slot until it is fully seated. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the OCP module. Use a screwdriver if necessary.